My name is Sebastian and I'm the General Manager of the Ingenieurgemeinschaft Rietsch GmbH. Ingenieurgemeinschaft, I know it's a difficult word, but in the end it's something like engineering cooperation, and we make softwares. We are engineers and we make software for engineers. For Visiativ, we are in partnership for a couple of years. In the end, it's more than 7 years, and you're officially supporting our products for your customers, for our customers, for about 3 or 4 years now. The main benefit is that you are here. You are a local partner for your end customers, for our end customers. You can bring our software tools into your customer base and you can help them with native language, which is pretty important. And you have the know-how right here in front of the customer. In my opinion, it's super important to be with the customers, to understand the customers, to learn what is the problem of the customer. And I was here presenting our products together with Romain from Visiativ. And today I'm just here to get the feeling about the customer's needs, the feeling about the event, the feeling about the future products.